ourselves a mini excavator here, so let's build some trail. I don't know what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out together. But the plan right now is to plow forward. We've got a line picked out. We're making a little connector between two existing trails. I'm gonna plow through, kind of clear, and then work my way backwards and do some finishing stuff. That's the plan, but we'll see what happens. So far so good. Done that. Checking the tracks in the machine for a million ants. We're good. Proceed. So why use a machine to build trail? Well, it's like the equivalent of 6 guys working at once, and it's probably stronger than all 6 guys, and then it doesn't get tired. You only have to feed it diesel fuel. This trail, we've scouted it and made it almost within 2 days time, so that's pretty good. You can't normally do it that fast here in the jungle, so part of that is also the experience. I might not know how to operate this dude that well yet, but I know what I want it to do because it's doing the same things that I would do with a hoe or by hand. It's the same technique, I'm just using a different tool. So luckily this guy's not incredibly strong, which means when I make a mistake, it's not that big of a mistake. I don't dig a massive pit when I don't mean to, because it actually can't do it. So it's good that this is not the strongest machine in the world. I still have to go over it with a hoe, just to kind of, the excavator can do the big stuff, right? But you want to use a more exact tool to get the finishing part. So and we got ourselves First berm I've ever shaped with a machine. It is way too dry to hold together, so hopefully it rains soon and then we can get that packed. But this is gonna be an easy difficulty trail for young bloods and old folks. And we put it here just because we have a little bit of slope, you can tell. Not much, but enough that the water keeps going off. There's a drain right here, and the edge of the hill is just 2 meters past that. So things are gonna drain for us. So yeah, we can put a pretty flat, easy trail along the edge of a hill. Well, this is the most trail I've ever done in one day. So I've been out here, it is 4 o'clock now. I've been out here since 8, haven't stopped. Been on the machine, been on the power saw, and we got trail. I don't know the exact amount, the meterage that we have today. We have cleared an unbelievable amount of jungle, thanks to that guy. Whew. I think I know how it works now.